Have you ever wondered if you could turn your creativity into cash? In 2025, selling Canva templates is one of the easiest and most scalable ways to earn passive income. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to start selling Canva templates, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find your niche. Before you start designing, decide on the type of templates you want to create. Some popular niches include social media templates, Instagram carousels, story highlights, or Pinterest pins. For example, motivational quote carousels are trending among life coaches. Business templates, resumes, business cards, and pitch decks. Think of a sleek, minimalist resume for job seekers, event templates, wedding invitations, birthday cards, or party flyers. Imagine a pastel-colored wedding invitation set with floral details, planners and organizers, digital planners, or printable to-do lists. For example, a weekly habit tracker with a clean, aesthetic design. Pro tip: use platforms like Etsy or Creative Market to research trending products. For instance, search for Instagram templates and look for bestsellers. This will give you an idea of what people are actively buying. Step 2. Create an account on Canva. If you don't already have one, sign up for Canva. Free versus Pro. While you can use the free version, Canva Pro unlocks premium fonts, images, and elements. For example, you can access beautiful gradients or trendy handwritten fonts like Gistacy. Templates as a base. Start with Canva's pre-made designs. For instance, pick a blank Instagram carousel and customize it with your own fonts and colors. Example: imagine creating a set of Instagram templates for a fitness coach. Use bold colors like red and black, add placeholders for workout of the day, and incorporate icons for weights or progress trackers. Step 3. Start designing. Now it's time to bring your ideas to life. Here's how to make your templates appealing. Keep them simple and easy to edit. For example, include placeholders for text and images in your designs. Use Canva's grid and alignment tools to keep everything neat. Add unique elements like icons or shapes. Example: if you're creating a digital planner, include sections for goals, daily tasks, and mood tracking. Use pastel shades like baby blue or lavender, as these are highly popular among productivity enthusiasts. Step 4. Set up your online shop. Once your templates are ready, you'll need a platform to sell them. Here are some top options. Etsy, perfect for creatives. For example, list a 50-page wedding planner template for $15.99. Creative Market, ideal for professional designers. You could sell a branding kit for small businesses, including logo templates, color palettes, and social media graphics. Gumroad, great for direct sales. List a 15-template Instagram bundle for $25. Pro tip: use mockups to showcase your templates. For example, display your Instagram designs on a phone screen or your planners inside a notebook. Use tools like Placeit to create professional-looking mockups in minutes. Step 5. Market your templates. To drive sales, you need to promote your templates effectively. Pinterest, create pins showing your templates in use. For example, upload an image of your Instagram template with a title like "Boost Your Social Media Engagement." Instagram Reels or TikTok. Share short videos demonstrating how your templates work. For instance, create a 30-second reel showing how a fitness coach could customize your designs in Canva. Collaborate. Partner with micro-influencers. Offer them free templates in exchange for a shout-out. Example: imagine you've designed a set of wedding invitation templates. Pin these designs on Pinterest with keywords like elegant wedding invitations, editable in Canva. Step 6. automate, and scale. Now that you're making sales, it's time to think about scaling. Bundle your templates. Instead of selling a single template, offer a bundle. For instance, combine Instagram posts, stories, and highlight covers into one package for $30. Automate delivery. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad handle instant delivery, so you don't need to do anything manually. Expand your portfolio. Keep adding new templates to your shop. For example, if Instagram carousels are performing well, create matching story templates for added value. Example: a popular bundle idea could be a complete social media kit for entrepreneurs, priced at $49.99. Include templates for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. And here's a bonus tip: keep improving your designs based on customer feedback. If someone asks for a specific color palette or layout, consider adding that to your shop. The more you listen to your audience, the more likely they'll return for repeat purchases. So, there you have it. Selling Canva templates is a fantastic way to earn passive income in 2025. Which step are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-making tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.